To check your transaction history on YouTube, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate through the process easily. Step 1. Sign into your YouTube account. Open the YouTube website or app and sign in using the account associated with your transactions. Ensure you use the correct credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to enter your account settings. Step 3. Go to Purchases and Memberships. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Purchases and Memberships. Click on this option to view your transaction history related to YouTube purchases. Step 4. Review your transaction history. You will see a list of your transactions, including purchases of movies, shows, and memberships. Browse through the list to find specific transactions you want to review. Step 5. Download or print your history optional. If you need a copy of your transaction history, you may have the option to download or print the information. Look for any available options to export your data for your records. Now you can easily check your transaction history on YouTube. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore YouTube's Help Center.